na ye celebrate no ma ye ntua do still on the throwback Thursday tinatana bagana na obagana no na me sure le brabo be fantinyi pe o chere how to nyum e wona fa e wona your traditional songs how ye sound traditional songs wo krom ha dey I will have video na betima America na say share video na yemra Oh, papa, so beautiful. And you know, Tinatana, what put me rabbi me a shop had there, mammy over free toto. And what always see she low on her. I don't feel Fedri. What's a mine? You know, fancy papa. Ain't you know, not tonight, who not no hating. Charlie. Big ups to you, also your phone. No, what's a mine. Now, another throwback Thursday. That's a movie. It be na. About trendy power Ghana had it back in the days. Time na I quite have form I did a cut it to binito ground na the crash no. I will share scene in here that say be careful na. Was moving is not to that. Okay, no. My mencha credit at the page. I will be a careful me be the title no. A careful me the title could say that Fresicia. About title mom the credit na cho fat. Back in the days. Number time na you quite from man ya no from there ya ende no. Atasa. Into no meantime obi obo call bia na obo bofum ni bia no. Gena number mention the credit and the pay. Your Christmas asa you feel benevolent. Atasa yen check credit no. Into no wana na okay movie ye hwe scene na title free na bought for mom na montua mansam no do montua don pocho 30 December ye Ghana 30 December ye Ghana and Ghana is very safe I must say Ghana is safe yenyim won mo kra opede oba agenda hen wo krom ha de no Ari Make man karo TikToker but our TikTok no do atasa no chire mo obopo emu okrom hade na kasa bebre na a police for kwa kidnapping no na chede wo pede wotutu hen 30 December no chale a police for asha say a investigation into some of these things meaning mombo video na kakra na yente some nibi ai sama one diasporans one also wo pemu okrom ha oba Ghana 30 December oba enjoy when you oye December last year oba enyema bi tutu mo na yente bi na yemra.
Ghana is the only place in the entire world where you get robbed by the police, bro.
I swear to God.
I promise you. This is my second look. Oh, sorry. Give me 2 seconds. So basically, me and my friends got stopped because we were going the opposite way. A cop comes out of nowhere. First of all, he's not even wearing proper cop gear. He just has a cop helmet and normal clothes on. So we thought he was taking a piss. He told us to turn around, asking where we were from, and then asked for our taxi's ID. We were saying we were trying to get some food, and then he said, okay, you know what? Follow me. I'll take you to a good spot. Took us all around, dropped us off, and I was like, okay, if you don't want any trouble, pay me. So we had to pay them like 50 Ghana City, which is only like $10 or 10 pounds, but still, bro. It seems like everyone here wants money. It's so funny, bro. This is the only place you can properly get robbed by police.
Countries. I booked an apartment on Airbnb in Accra. It's a nice apartment, and the thing about the complex is I stay here all the time, but I've just gone with a private renter at this point. He brought cleaners to my house. I already said, don't bring the cleaners. I'm not going to be in. He brought the cleaners, and the cleaners stole $300 out of my money. I had a stack of money, dollars, and they stole the money, thinking I wouldn't clock because it's just a little bit of the dollars that I did have. You need to be careful. I went through Airbnb, and now I have to report it back. And I've gone to the owners and told them that your cleaners have stolen.
One. Okay. I will yati. Na Ghana police release there. We'll launch investigation into the Minsemi because Masa Yang will be on ruin in December in my hand. December na one ma we Africans who pay abrochi one na council no won ko pay honum so many years ago na won ko fin na wo bada obeji won anwa wo Ghana cause Ghana is a destination not to hear dem ko Africa dem na wo robo wo Ghana na police for kidnap one na we start one na cheden some no also wo socials no do yeah nhwe zimboni bia anta Ghana police started a war investigation into this issue into one is that was a be yeah free honum Ghana Tourism Authority also statement on speculating videos involving visiting Black Americans. Since you know, we take notice of the video circulating on social media that some visiting Black Americans be were kidnapped one, were extorting one. Now the internal Ghana Police do investigation on a cyber security authority. Anchar, what the way investigation pen a sister about Ari McKay. I would say more back I say more king.
I don't know if anyone cares, but I'm on my first completely paid for trip just to make content. Flight, stay, per diem costs, everything covered. And I'm just so thankful. Hallelujah. Keep posting y'all videos.
Hey, I'm Pembele Semiati. Charlie, get us obituary the call. Obituary the call on Macadamasa. The master, the night investigation here by ye lunch investigation here. You show you put your accounting in everybody. I won't need penning in our Baba Snackadum. What's up? What I was saying in December, my hand. Portrait, memo beyond that, Ghana is the safest place in Africa. Even the Nigerians know. 1 year could that December, they know that Ghana is the safest place to be in Africa. Into no Seriba Deti December, Kwanda Hobra, and chill. Event also day. Friday, the last number bro. Atasa. Friday, the last number bro from 13th from Konina, Massa. Debia pap. On the 25th crown, a bonoa, Nasa Kodie. What's a 25th? Yeah, but you move both ways. Atasa. Yeah, what about KKC? Now, I'm Tiwa. Earlier this week, Sunday night, said that Mama Tiwa or that Hoboko Sonnie Badu I tribute song. Then you I will enjoy you mona yambra.
Wait. Hey, stop there. Me here try. What? Okay, this one like.
Because my man can't pull back close, maybe Sasante last year, like she was close. But my many better microphone now, who difference? I just know about bring me and then you want to say, maybe singing. What? She has killed it. Go ahead, my man, microphone and your master, son. In situ, mamma, no. Mamma, the tone, no. Hey, but she's serious. Into no, and master, yeah, forget it. Yeah, maybe it's a Santa Nine uncle. On your tribute song, you know, on for my hand. It's no Sonnie Badu, in my young shadow, and I'm a last story. It's in a soul. Rich ma. See, oh, jolly. See, oh, jolly. See, oh, jolly. Say, Sa jolly, you know, son who were there sumo. Also, then, jolly. Na eja ozi anyom to chema na nyom na ze bebre de so the cross do so na or record to no te no na yemra
process is always changes. I won't lie. Sometimes it's weird, and I've mentioned before that sometimes the melodies come in dreams.
In dreams?
Yeah.
Obey yourself, mama.
Hey. I said, "Whoa." They come in dreams, and then I have to literally. And when it comes in those dreams, you have to wake yourself up out of the dream and record it. It's the hardest because sometimes the sleep is very nice. You don't want to wake up, but you have to wake up. No, this melody is nice. Wake up and record it. So when that happens, I get the melodies. I go to the studio and then we create a record with it.
Okay.
Other times I go to the studio, I hear an instrumentation and I hop on it and it's fire. Other times I'll write the words first before I'm like, okay, let me put instrumentation to it. Sometimes I'll play the instrumentation myself. I have a small studio, then I'll take it to the producer, then he makes it into something.
This is Hits.
For talent to chrome ho. It's yeah. Sometimes the level one of instrumentation or we are not that come and make some. Big ups to you, Sina Soul, Sister Manye. What's why Sister Manye? Yeah, that's an offer. Into no more phone call out the moment quick. Maybe start a movie now, maybe scene no. One nano button work a movie in the title Atrum. I don't know. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm from Ifringin.
But I'm referring to you, not Kanishi.
North Cape Wakoa. Okay. Kasa zonzon mamati. Okay. See, moving on. I heard that. See, title on about it.
Who killed now?
Yeah. Me tabon some. Yeah. But Jawana Mama, Paul Mamati. Jawana Mama, na, but okay, it's the best no one pay. It's no freebies now, you know, men miss Ahosepe. I say, yeah, teardo. Brother Sammy, I quite a hairstyle be. Or Chema, that lumen or inspire hairstyle. Check, my embraces here.
Yes, I am here, my Papa Charles. Could you for Daddy Lumba? On I am a your mammy. Charles, I don't want you. On a macrama. Rihanna, oh, my Papa Charles. You're I mean you. Charles, could you for you made you, Chase?
It's no better Sabina Casano, better Samina Casano. If your problems are all Ghana had ya. If your roads are corner, what be your problem? Another problem. Your brother Sabi. Ayo, me the best here. 20th of December. Yen na to Santana for the National Theatre. Because as usual, the 9 lessons and carols no bro. Adom 9 lessons and carols. Now this year, when you must buy any ton say the year kase bebre as because obey budget buyer. Obey me and you. Obey not the look forward to ya sawono. Drama no pode. Drama no take but asawono. Asawo ye tum ye dzi wo honom no nya saw kakra ba. Nti no Adom TV 9 lessons and carols on the 20th. Ye nyina ye kehiem o National Theatre. O superstars ni nyina bo honom. PSC Esther bo honom, Mavisa Santi bo honom, Abena Ruthie bo honom, Kwafo na wareba no so no. Glorious Philharmonic won so bo honom. Into no man miss. Minim the episode wo ho. Minim the epi. Chale. Na obey a surprise bibi. Episode be some move on to wa manka. Manu ya mako. Man be so this year they miss na aya wo ho. Into no Morocco, ma minchia oba penyin eno ampoma. Mame mudo too much. Maso mo love biati. Mo love so much. All this stuff and the pure shamzons and no mame. Kisses baby nkomo ati. Mfilo papa. Into no Morocco. Mofa what love got to do? Okay, Tinatana, what's love got to do? Morocco, the team in so OPD, I'm a producer, Sarah, I'm a director. Pasa squad will go on a dorsal. Poor minta, my bonnet in the mound, may a sound in the moment to know it. Morocco, Yami Adome Bassana, yes, what about Kofian Pedu, Michelle Dusudov, a Bontenso.